boy Manny Salgado. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Manny's Mexican Minute. This time we're on Rockford's east side, corner of Trainer and Lexus at the old Five Forks place. This is Prime Steakhouse, the newest steakhouse Rockford has to offer. And I'm so excited because my boy Chef Kenny is the chef. You've seen him at Green Fire. You've seen him at Shogun. You've seen him at Omakase, and now he's a head chef over at Prime. So follow me. All right, guys, guess where I'm at? I'm with my boy Chef Kenny. Chef Kenny, ¿cómo estás, amigo?
Good, how are you guys?
I'm chilling, baby. So you're the new chef at the Prime Steakhouse. How do you like the difference? You went from omakase and doing Asian food, and now you're at a Prime Steakhouse. Not just any steakhouse, Prime Steakhouse. What do you think so far?
It's one of the best in town, man. You guys can come down here, check it out. You know, we got the fresh meat, everything, cut every day.
Yeah.
Fresh pastas, Italian.
Now, I see that your menu is heavy on the Italian side. Is there a reason for that?
No, not really, but...
it tastes good, right?
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
We're gonna come up with everything, you know, like a little bit of everything.
So today you're gonna let us try some of this food. You're just gonna surprise us as it comes out?
Oh yes, sure I will.
All right, baby. Well, I'm excited, bro. Congratulations again. I keep following your success. I'm glad I can be a part of it. God bless you. And I'm hoping that you don't burn my steak. I'm joking. Hey, for those of you that don't know, I met this guy when he was like 19.
Something like that.
19, 20 years old. How old are you now?
21, bro.
No, for real, how old are you? 32 years old. Wow. So you've been cooking since what age?
16 years old.
16 years old. And you've been at the best restaurants in Rockford. What can you tell me about this place? Do you see this being your home for a while, or?
Yes, of course. I think I would like to stay here for a while and obviously, you know, come out with a better concept and like keep coming with new things and, you know, make people happy, you know, like surprise people, like bring them outside the box for a little bit, you know. Sure,
I understand. I get it. Well, listen, I know you're a busy man. I know that we have orders coming in. Thank you again for the invite.
Yeah,
and I can't wait to try this food. I'll report back after a bit.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, people.
Oh, yeah. These are Wagyu stuffed cheese meatballs.
Meatballs, bro.
So these are homemade Wagyu meatballs.
Wagyu meatballs.
Yeah, they're stuffed with a 3-cheese blend, and I don't know if you can see the cheese coming out right there. So when you cut through it, the cheese will fall. And
what kind of cheese we got in there?
so we got mozzarella, Parmigiano, and Romano cheese.
Ooh.
Yeah. And then we're garnishing it with our Parmesan cheese. Fresh ingredients all day.
Alright guys, so we're at Prime Steakhouse. I watched Kenny cook all this stuff in the kitchen. It's at my table now. And I've only started on the meatball. Wagyu meatball. Wagyu beef. If you don't know about that, Google it. 3 kinds of cheeses, the marinara sauce they make from scratch. If they put that on the menu like with pasta, that would be dangerous, man. That would be dangerous. It is so good, I don't want it to end. And we're only at the meatballs. Up next, we got the chicken. We're gonna try the chicken. If you want to zoom in on the chicken here, we're gonna do the chicken next. Stay tuned.
And then we do a Parmesan crust and our horseradish. So once that bad boy's done, we'll take it back here. finish cooking it right here on our salad blender. Right here, it's gonna go in there and melt that cheese, that flavor. There it is. Melt the cheese. Oh yeah, look at all that.
Okay.
All right. Serve with our mashed potatoes, small mashed potatoes. And then we do a red demi-wine glaze reduction. In-house. Prime chicken, served with a lobster cream sauce, mushroom and porcini powder.
Yeah.
So good. So tender and juicy.
So you got 3 different kinds there. Let's see which one you like the best. That one is the, I don't know.
I don't know either. Deliciousness.
That's the deliciousness or the tasty one.
Tasty. Nice and pink.
Nice and pink.
Oh yeah, that one's really good too.
Prime chicken. Okay, so we got chicken, we got mashed potatoes, asparagus. Mmm. That is the juiciest chicken. Even the mashed potatoes are heavenly, man. You know the bad thing about places like this? Is that they set the bar really high. So then when I go back to having some like roasted chicken from like, I don't know, a local grocery store or something, it's gonna suck. But that is amazing. Stay tuned, we're gonna try more stuff. Okay, ahora sí muévelo si quieres. All right, guys, so I just had a great meal, and guess who I bumped into? The man himself, the man, the myth, the legend. Matt, you are the owner of Prime. I know you're only about 50, 60 days in. How are things going at Prime Steakhouse?
Things are fantastic, man. We're so excited to be here and be on the east side of Rockford finally. You know, I've been in downtown Rockford for about 10 years, but
Sure.
this is our first east side location, and we're just happy to be here. Things are going great.
Okay. Well, you know, I just want to say congratulations. The food is amazing. Chef's doing a great job. The ambiance. You know, speaking of the ambiance, I want to talk about that real quick because I've seen a lot of really cool pictures over on your wall.
Yeah, absolutely.
So a lot of those pictures are they local? Are they family? What's
My family. Yeah,
that's your
for sure.
family.
So that is the nice version of my grandmother's wall that I remember as a kid. You know,
That is
every
beautiful.
grandmother's house has that long wall that
Yeah.
she just hung pictures on.
Yeah.
And so
My
that's-
grandma's
that's-
didn't look that nice. But
Yeah,
I
neither did
I
mine,
get the
neither
vibe
did
you're
mine.
going for.
So
That is
so
beautiful.
That's exactly what that's supposed to be. That's a throwback to my grandmother.
So, and I understand you have some Italian in you, and this is an Italian steakhouse. You know, I asked Chef in the kitchen a little bit ago, I seen a lot of your menu is
Yeah.
heavily influenced on the Italian side.
Yes.
So, after speaking to the waiter, correct me if I'm wrong, this is an Italian steakhouse. Is that correct?
Absolutely. So
Okay.
not only do we have like the fresh cut prime steaks, we have some awesome classic Italian dishes.
Okay.
And then me and chefs take on some cool pasta things. Like we have
Gotcha.
a short rib ravioli, and
Ooh.
we have this amazing bacon gnocchi because I'm a bacon
Yes,
king.
yes.
So some awesome fresh takes on pasta, and then some classic Italian dishes too, like your
Gotcha.
chicken parm or your veal parm or Vesuvio, all that.
That
good stuff.
risotto was a phenomenal.
Yeah,
And I
exactly.
didn't even catch it on video. I'm sorry, you guys. But the meatballs were great. The gnocchi. I tried a lot in the kitchen, guys. So trust me, it's delicious. And so I had no idea. So Prime Italian Steakhouse. We need to put the Italian. We need to squiggle it right into the logo or something.
Absolutely.
The drink specials I see they're heavily influenced as well. How are things going with the drinks? 'Cause I know we're here on a Tuesday. The bar is a little dry right now, but how are things going on the bar side?
Awesome. I mean, we are already one of Rockford's biggest sellers of journeyman whiskey.
Nice.
Because we're making our classic old fashioned with this journeyman rye that is aged with some fig. It's just fantastic. We have some
Okay.
really, really craft cocktails that are just amazing.
Now, I understand you have great purveyors, but I also hear that you have some kind of membership club or something with wine?
Absolutely. So we have the only place in town that does a wine locker thing. So you can get a locker. You can bring wine from your own house. You know your own. What's the word I'm looking for?
From your own collection?
Exactly, from your
Okay.
own collection, and you can put it in your locker and drink it with dinner. You can buy wine in bulk from us, and then of course we have wine dinners. And if you're a member of our wine club and you have a wine locker, you get the first invites to the wine dinners.
Nice, okay. And I won't even ask how the Magic Steakhouse because I don't drink. So if you want info on that, come see Matt over here
Come
at
see me,
Prime.
we'll get you a wine locker.
And then I understand you also have a private room for parties.
We do have a private room, and it seats up to about 60 people.
Wow.
Like our kind of niche seems to be like that 20 to 40 range.
Sure.
A lot of pharmaceutical dinners, a lot of investment dinners, and of course, birthdays and baby showers and all that great stuff.
I don't like you guys that much. I'm warning all my friends, no. Maybe for our anniversary, that would be a good. You know what?
Anniversary.
Maybe I do like you guys. I like my wife that much, so
You should
we'll see what
like your
happens.
wife that much.
Yes, definitely. Well, listen, Matt. I know you're a busy man. The place is getting packed right now, so I won't keep you. Thank you again. The food was amazing. Congratulations.
I'm so happy you got to enjoy it.
Hey, man. I follow Chef around. Wherever Chef Kenny goes, I go too.
That's
But thank
awesome.
you again. Congratulations. I'll leave you guys with that. You guys know the food was great. The service was amazing. The place is obviously clean. It's only 60 days old. Come in and try it, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease.